Hello viewers, let's make another version of banana bread. For this version of banana bread, we're using 3 very ripe bananas. Go ahead and mash your bananas until they're nicely broken down, like so. And then we'll prepare our wet ingredient mixture, starting with butter, 2 eggs, brown sugar. I'll have all the measurements listed in the description box, some vegetable oil, and vanilla extract. You will beat these ingredients until they are nicely combined. And then we are going to add to this our mashed bananas, and then that will be we'll have completed making our wet ingredient mixture. So add in your bananas and then beat them one more time for about a minute, just until everything is nicely broken down and combined. Go ahead and scrub your bowl, and then we are ready to prepare our dry ingredient mixture. So set this aside. For the dry ingredients, we have all-purpose flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt is what I'm adding there, and then a little bit of cornstarch, and then some cinnamon. The cornstarch is going to help hold our bread together nicely. So go ahead and mix your dry ingredient mixture and then add it to the wet ingredients. And then, because the first version of this bread that I made was plain, for this one we are adding a little bit more stuff. So I'm going to add walnuts, half a cup of walnuts there, and half a cup of raisins. You could do a third a cup, a quarter cup, you could reduce this. So this is just to make the banana bread a little bit more loaded. So add your toppings and mix them in until they're nicely combined. And now you're ready to bake your bread. So grease and dust your baking pan, and then transfer your butter in there nicely. Make sure it's level. And then you're going to bake this at 320 Fahrenheit for 45 to 55 minutes, or until a knife comes out clean. And let your bread rest for a little bit before you take it out of the pan, and then let it cool further, and you're ready to slice and enjoy your banana bread. So this is what it looks like on the inside. It's very tasty and it's loaded. So guys, enjoy this banana bread, and if you like it, leave a comment, like the video, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.